Discovering adverbs. Mixing it up with adverbs of place. Hello, language explorers. Today we're taking our English grammar journey further into the exciting world of adverbs. Specifically, we're going to focus on adverbs of place and how to combine them with other types of adverbs in our sentences. So, let's dive right in. Remember, adverbs of place tell us where something happens. They answer the question, where? Words like here, there, everywhere, upstairs, downstairs, outside, and inside are some examples. For instance, in the sentence, she lives here, the word here is an adverb of place. Now, let's see how we can combine adverbs of place with adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner describe how something is done. They answer the question, how? Let's take a sentence like, he speaks loudly. Here, loudly is an adverb of manner. If we want to combine it with an adverb of place, the sentence could be, he speaks loudly outside. Now we know both how he speaks, loudly, and where he speaks, outside. Moving on, we can also mix adverbs of place with adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens, answering the question, when? Take the sentence, they'll meet tomorrow. Here, tomorrow is an adverb of time. If we combine it with an adverb of place, the sentence might become, they'll meet here tomorrow. Now, we understand both when they will meet, tomorrow, and where they will meet, here. Finally, let's combine adverbs of place with adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us about the intensity or degree of an action, an adjective, or another adverb. They answer the question, to what extent, or how much? An example sentence could be, it is quite cold. In this case, quite is an adverb of degree. Now, if we combine it with an adverb of place, we could say, it is quite cold outside. This sentence now communicates both the degree of coldness, quite, and where it's cold, outside. And there you have it. By combining adverbs of place with other types of adverbs, you can add even more depth and detail to your sentences, making your communication clearer and more descriptive. Remember, practice is key to mastering these combinations. Try making your own sentences using these concepts, and you'll be a pro in no time. Thank you for joining me on this adventure through the world of adverbs. I hope you found this video helpful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Happy learning!